The holidays are here, and it's time to make your home shine. Christmas decorating isn't just about lights and ornaments. It's about creating warmth, joy, and memories that last all season. Whether your style is classic, modern, or rustic, the right decor transforms every corner into a holiday wonderland. Let's explore Christmas decorating ideas that bring magic, comfort, and sparkle to your home. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What color palette works best for the holidays? Classic reds and greens evoke nostalgia, while neutrals with gold add elegance. Blues, silvers, and blush tones offer a soft, modern winter look. Colors chosen? Like this if your home glows with festive harmony. What are easy ways to decorate on a budget? DIY your decor with pine cones, ribbons, and paper ornaments. Reuse last year's decorations creatively to save money without losing style. Budget-friendly? Like this if your decor feels beautiful and smart. What about safety for outdoor decor? Use waterproof lights and battery-operated candles. Secure items with clips or zip ties so they stay in place through wind and winter weather. Safety checked? Like this if your setup glows securely. What about entryways and halls? Use garlands on banisters, wreaths on doors, and lanterns along walkways. Your entrance sets the festive tone the moment guests arrive. Entry welcoming? Like this if your doorway feels like holiday joy. What about dining table decorations? Use a festive runner, candles, and greenery. Add ornaments or ribbons as accents for a warm, elegant, and welcoming holiday table setting. Tables stunning like this if your guests dine in Christmas style. How do I style my fireplace or mantel? Layer garlands, candles, and stockings. Add fairy lights or lanterns for a cozy glow that draws everyone's eyes to your holiday centerpiece. Mantel magical? Like this if your fireplace feels like Christmas heart. How do I choose a Christmas decorating theme? Start with a clear vision. Traditional red and green, elegant silver and gold, or cozy rustic charm. A theme helps you stay focused and tie every detail together beautifully. Theme picked? Like this if your Christmas style feels perfectly you. How do I add natural touches? Incorporate pine branches, holly, and eucalyptus. Their scent fills the air, bringing a refreshing balance to sparkling ornaments and lights. Nature added? Like this if your decor feels fresh and timeless. How do I add festive touches to bedrooms? Swap to plaid or red bedding, hang mini wreaths, and use soft lighting. Small details keep the Christmas spirit alive in every cozy corner. Bedrooms merry? Like this if every room feels full of holiday cheer. How can I make my living room feel festive? Add throw blankets, holiday pillows, and candles. Mix in twinkling lights, garlands, and ornaments for warmth that welcomes family and guests. Living room glowing? Like this if your space feels merry and bright. How can I decorate windows for the season? Hang wreaths, fairy lights, or snowflake decals. Candles on sills or ribbons tied to curtains add soft, glowing holiday ambiance. Windows shining? Like this if your view glows with Christmas charm. Can I decorate the kitchen for Christmas too? Yes, add garlands above cabinets, mugs with seasonal prints, or a mini tree on the counter. A few accents make your kitchen feel joyful and warm. Kitchen cheerful? Like this if your holiday baking feels extra bright. Christmas decorating turns your home into a celebration of warmth and wonder. From cozy textures to glittering lights, every detail adds love and beauty. This season, create a space that reflects your heart and let your home shine with holiday joy. Feeling inspired? Like and check back for more creative Christmas decor ideas.